Alright, good morning. 6 a.m. Such sad music. Let's go to welding on. Now, lucky for me, just down the street here, like literally just down here. Ah! Didn't expect all them to be here. Don't matter. Here we go. At the pile of crap. Ha! Come on, over here. Don't you know it's dangerous down the highway? Never know when a maniac with a hammer is going to come along. Those other fools coming? No, I don't think they are. Right. Chuck that on. I want 3 of them. So it uses a whole thing per car. Sweet. Okay, you might be an issue. We take care of problems in this game, and you're a problem. Get off the road! It's not safe! Ooh, give me all your drip. Anything with gold and silver, you want to grab it. Okay, they're fine. Yeah, where is it? There we go. Dismantle the crap out of it. Alrighty, we're almost there. Did we get a... No, we didn't get a thing. Got a whole heap of that stuff though, which is good. You want bars. You want chunks and pieces. Rods, yeah. That's for pieces, yep. Want bars. Mostly want bars. And we didn't get a band. That's alright. You can sometimes find bands in warehouses as well. But you've got a better chance. You'll put that in my jewellery bag. You got a better chance at, I was going to say, some chance at warehouses, best chance at when you dismantle cars. I think I don't know. Anyway. Bada bing, we got level 1. Iron band, I think it was an iron band small we needed. Yeah, iron band small. Can I make that a small iron band? Oh, I can saw it. Okay. Oh, I need a table. Oh, sweet. But I want to get these bars anyway, so I'll do all these cars. Just pick it all up, bro. Wow, look at all this crap. Keep all that scrap. We can use that forge if you're so inclined to later on. Is that everything? Yep. You can put that empty torch in. Get it. Okay. Ah, wrong side. Okay. Take you and you. Spare engine parts. Did I go small? No band on that one. Just put it all. Right. Funny enough, I've never noticed damage to the car when it does that. Oh, okay, you guys are coming up near home. Problems incoming, problems be dealt with. See, isn't it much safer on the sidewalk? Oh, heck yeah, I want some 12 gauge. Oops, sorry about your knee. Are you coming? No, you're not. Good. I don't want to smash my windows, so I put a board on them. Okay, okay. Carden, you get in there. On the pile. Okay, okay. It's the middle one there. Bar, quarter blocks, chunks piece. Yep. Or you get over. Oh, iron piece. Yep. Pipes. Nope. Chop, chop, whatever. Oh, what's that bottom one? Scrap, 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 scrap. Oh yeah, steel sheets. Use them later. These cars give a good amount of forging items. I didn't grab it all. That's all right. I can just stay in the back of the car. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's my twine of nails. Get off the floor. Should be that one. Yep. I have a feeling. Yep. Now, where were we? Making that bucket. Hang on. Okay, I'm near the crates. Cut one of them. Sweet. Chuck it up there. Now. Make wooden bucket. Nah. Need that one. Okay, what I need? 4 nails, 4 planks. This needs quite a lot of materials. And one small handle. Yep, okay, cool. How do I have planks? Oh, yeah. Actually, I want all of these right now. Because, believe it or not, small handles are what you use when you make knives and swords. Yeah, chuck them up there. Let's bucket it. There it is. Okay, I've got everything. Let's make it. Now, check this bad boy out. Weighs 10 and holds 20 litres. That is why you can't find... That's not the wooden buckets you find. You have to make them. Okay, we are on our way. show the floor. Got stone blocks, got large bellow, got large bucket. All we need is that anvil. And we need iron or steel bar halves. Now, what we got? Iron bar, make 10 of them, 13 of them. Okay, steel bars is going to be, I've already got 10. And all I have to do is another 2.5. So 3 of them, cut them in half. All right, sweet, sweet, sweet. I cancel them. I'd rather the welding experience. So I'm next to my truck. These items are accessible to me. That's one. Oh, I didn't go max. Actually, I don't want to go max, because I'll probably do, yeah. I want 2 more. Okay. That's a bit more welding XP. Which I'm... Oh, yeah, that's all right. Oh, I cut it a bit too short there. Okay, I'll see you next episode where we forge this anvil. I'll find some tongs, then we'll get back to forging that. Then we'll make the advanced forge right here. See you then.